Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to study about the medieval period. At first, you should know what is medieval period. The period stretches from 8th century to 18th century is known as medieval period. The period stretches from 8th century to 18th century. 8th century to 18th century is known as medieval period. The word medieval comes from the Latin word medieval, which means middle. We generally refer to as this period between the ancient and the modern period. Between the ancient and modern period is also known as medieval period. Many economic, political and religious and cultural changes took place during this period. This period is also divided into two periods. First, the early medieval period, and the second is late medieval period. The early medieval period stretches from 8th century to 13th century, and the later medieval period stretches from 13th century to 18th century. At first, you should know what happened in the earlier medieval period. In the earlier medieval period, there were many rulers like Palas, Pratihar, Rajput, Cholas and Rajputs. During the late medieval period, there were also rulers such as Turkish, Afghanis and the Mughal. In the middle of the 19th century, British historians divided the history into three. They are Hindu, Muslim and the British. Now we are going to study about tremendous and old terminology. During the ancient period, India is known as Bharatvarsh. During the Muslim period, it is also known as subcontinent Hindustan. At first, Babur used Hindustan in our country to describe flora, fauna and the people of this subcontinent. During this period, there were many changes, social changes and political changes. At first, you should know about social and political changes. The period AD 700 to 1750 witnessed large-scale development like Persian wheel in the field of irrigation, spinning wheel in weaving, and the arms in the combat. Now, in this period, food and beverage such as potatoes, corn, chilies, teas and coffees arrived in this subcontinent. This period is also known as for great mobility. People traveled long distance in search of opportunity. In this period, forests were cleared for the purpose of broad agriculture. The dwellers of forest were forced to migrate. Therefore, the society is divided into many categories.